Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another daily video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Thank you very much for tuning in today to watch this Tacoma compilation that we're doing. We're kicking it off with this 4x4 TRD Off-Road. We're going to be installing a Bilstein 5100 setup on here, along with some old Man Emu front lift springs and our 88 Rotors rear add-a-leaf system. We're also installing a set of new wheels and tires. And as you can see here, we're removing the front air dam and mud flaps to enhance the look of the vehicle and for more tire clearance. For the wheels and tires on this Tacoma, we're going with a set of Feel Vectors in a 17x8.5 with a +7 offset in this matte black finish here. Also installing a set of 285/70/17 BFGoodrich KO2. While we finish up this one, we have another vehicle on the other rack. This is also a 3rd generation white Tacoma. This one's getting our 3-inch front strut spacer and a 2-inch rear lift block with extended U-bolts. We're going to be installing a set of TRD Pro wheels that came off of the 4Runner in a 17x7 plus 4 in a matte black finish with some 285 7017 Falcon Wild Peak AT3Ws. Next up, we have this 3rd generation black Tacoma. This customer purchased his wheels and tires elsewhere and experienced some rubbing, so he came in for a lift. We're doing a 3-inch front strut spacer on this one with a 2-inch rear lift block as well. Both this white and black Tacoma here did receive the 3-inch front strut spacer and 2-inch rear lift block. This is the most cost-effective way to lift your truck. With the new spacer lift installed, there's no more rubbing. Next up, we have another 3rd generation black Tacoma. This one's going with a Fox 2.0 IFP setup for both front and rear, along with our 88 rotors rear add-a-leaf system. We're going to be swapping out the shoes on this one to some Method and V's. These are the MR305s in a bronze finish, 17 by 8.5 with a 0 offset. Tires chosen for this setup are the 285/7017 BFGoodrich KO2s. Rotors is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, feel free to give us a call anytime or send us a message through our contact form by clicking on the link in the description. This is pretty much going to be a wrap for today's Tacoma video. Thank you very much for viewing, guys. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Turn on that notification bell also, that way you'll get alerted every single time we post a new daily video. Until then, please enjoy the rest of this video and have a great one.